The US has developed a weapon far ahead of world technology. The SR-72 Darkstar, the world's first sixth-generation hypersonic fighter jet. This aircraft can reach 6 times the speed of sound and is set to take to the skies in 2025. But why is this plane so important? Why are China and Russia closely following this project? Today, I will reveal the secrets of the SR-72, its technology, and how it could change the balance of world power. To understand the SR-72, we must first familiarize ourselves with the SR-71 Blackbird, the forerunner of hypersonic technology. Produced in 1966, this fighter jet was almost like a space shuttle with its speed. Its top speed was Mach 3.2, an average of 2,436 miles, 3,525 kilometers per hour. Passenger planes travel at an average speed of 560 miles per hour, that is 900 kilometers. And this speed was almost 4 times the speed of a normal passenger plane. With a range of 2,900 nautical miles and a titanium airframe, it was used by the U.S. Air Force and NASA during the Cold War to reconnoiter enemy airfields. Technically, it was powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney J58P4 afterburning turbojet engines, each providing 34,000 pounds of thrust. Its fuselage was made of titanium, and its improved aerodynamics made it resistant to high temperatures caused by friction and reduced radar detection. Why did the U.S. military need an airplane that could reach these speeds? At the time, the U.S. Air Force was using U-2 aircraft for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. However, these aircraft proved to be very inadequate against both Soviet fighters and the surface-to-air missile systems developed by the Soviet Union. For a new project, the best designers, engineers, and Lockheed's secret Skunk Works unit came together. This unit, which brought together the country's most talented designers and engineers, designed the A-12, which could reach Mach 3.2. This new design became the basis for the SR-71. A total of 32 SR-71s were produced and retired from the U.S. Air Force in 1998 and from NASA in 1999. But why? Here's the answer: cost and technological advancements. The production cost of the SR-71 was $250 million, and its annual maintenance cost was $300 million. Moreover, the advancement of satellite systems, air defense systems, and unmanned aerial vehicles were the biggest factors in the SR-71's retirement. However, no one expected the next model to take this long to be produced. More than 35 years have passed, yet no other aircraft has been able to reach speeds of 3.2 Mach, an average of 2,436 miles, 3,525 kilometers per hour, with a single pilot like the SR-71. Would you fly such an aircraft? I'm waiting for your comments. I have a small request for you. My channel is still very new, and I need your help to improve it. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. You would be giving me tremendous support. Thank you all so much. Among aviation enthusiasts, it was predicted that the SR-71 would be developed further, or that more advanced models would be produced. By the year 2010, Lockheed Martin's development program, Skunk Works, introduced the HTV-2, an unmanned aerial vehicle launched by a rocket and capable of reaching incredible speeds. The HTV-2's first flight took place in April 2010, followed by its second flight in August 2011. In both of these flights, it reached Mach 20. That's 20,900 kilometers per hour. To put this into perspective, the aircraft was so fast that it could travel from New York City to Los Angeles in just 12 minutes, and from New York City to Europe in about 2 hours. The first planned test flight of the HTV-2 took place in April 2010. However, during the 9th minute of its 30-minute mission, excessive speed and overheating caused its structure to break apart, disrupting its aerodynamics and resulting in a loss of communication. A similar issue occurred during the second test in 2011. The experiences gained from these test flights of the unmanned hypersonic vehicle HTV-2 laid the foundation for the development of the SR-72. In 2013, during the Aviation Week and Space Technology event, the first official announcement was made that Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works development program was working on the Darkstar project. The goal of this project was to design an aircraft capable of taking off and landing like conventional jet engines, while also reaching the high speeds of ramjet engines and operating efficiently at those speeds. Lockheed had previously attempted to develop a manned aircraft capable of reaching Mach 6, 6 times the speed of sound, but was unsuccessful. For this reason, they announced that they were collaborating with Aerojet Rocketdyne to design an aircraft capable of reaching Mach 6 for the Darkstar project. The engine designed for the SR-72 features a hybrid propulsion system that combines turbojet and ramjet technologies, optimizing airflow differently for low and high-speed operations. In short, it utilizes an air-breathing technology that merges turbojet and ramjet engines. So, how do you protect the body of an aircraft capable of reaching such extreme speeds from intense friction and heat? The biggest challenge for the SR-72 was designing a body that wouldn't melt at Mach 6 speeds. At this velocity, the surface temperature of the aircraft exceeds 2,000 degrees Celsius. This is nearly twice the melting point of steel and about 1/3 of the sun's surface temperature. Such heat could melt the aircraft's components, causing severe damage. To solve this issue, engineers used carbon ceramic composites and specialized metal alloys. Lockheed Martin officials designed an aircraft approximately 60 feet, 18 meters, long, about the same size as an F-22 Raptor, that could reach Mach 6 speeds for several minutes. With a range of 2,900 nautical miles, the SR-72's primary missions will include combat, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations. It will feature artificial intelligence, AI, autonomous flight capabilities, and other advanced technological features. Thanks to its stealth technology and internal weapon bays, it will be virtually undetectable. Its weapon systems are expected to include laser weapons, hypersonic missiles, and loyal wingman drones. Additionally, it is believed that by supporting Lockheed Martin's new high-speed strike weapon, HSSW, the SR-72 will significantly enhance its strike capabilities. The SR-72 Darkstar was also featured in the 2022 film Topgun Maverik. The SR-72 Darkstar is opening a new chapter in aviation history. So, how do you think this aircraft will impact the global balance of power? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.